Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set one single name on Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to this three line. Now scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Now paste on Settings. Here you can see the option of See More in Account Center. Press on this. Now select your profile. Go to the option of Name. Here you can see my first name and the last name. If you want to put only the first name, you just have to remove the last name. And here you have to place on space. And click on Review Change. That's it. So this is how to set one single name on Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.